Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Janavi MS from the Department of the Computer Science and Engineering. Today we are gonna discuss the topic is the OSI modules in computer networks. Let us see introduction to OSI model. The OSI model stands for Open Systems Interconnection Model. It is a conceptual framework used to understand network communication. The model divides the communication process into 7 distinct layers. Purpose of the OSI module. The OSI module helps standardize network protocols. It facilitates the interoperability between different network systems. Understanding the OSI module aids in troubleshooting network issues. Overview of the 7 layers. The OSI model consists of 7 layers: physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and application layer. Each layer has its own specific functions and protocols. The layers work together to enable seamless communication over networks. Layer 1, physical layer. The physical layer is responsible for the transmission of raw bit streams over a physical medium. It includes hardware elements like a cable, switches, and network interface cards. This layer defines the electrical, mechanical, and produces aspects of the network. Layer 2, data link layer. The data link layer ensures reliable data transfer across the physical layer. It handles error detection and correction as well as a frame synchronization. Protocols like Ethernet and PPP operate at the layer. Layer 3, network layer. The network layer is responsible for packet forwarding and routing. It determines the best path of the data to travel across the network. The Internet Protocol IP is a key protocol at this layer. Layer 4, transport layer. The transport layer ensures complete data transfer between the nodes. It provides error recovery and flow control mechanism. Common protocols include TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, and UDP stands for the User Datagram Protocol. Layer 5, session layer. The session layer manages sessions between applications. It establishes, maintains, and determines connection as needed. This layer is crucial for ensuring data exchange continuity. Layer 6, presentation layer. The presentation layer formats and translates data between the application layer and the network. It handles data encryption, compression, and the conversion. This layer ensures the data is presented in a readable format for applications. Layer 7, application layer. The application layer is the closest layer to the user. It provides network services directly to end user applications. Protocols like HTTP, FTP, and SMTP functions at the layer. OSI model versus TCP or IP model. The OSI model is a more theoretical while the TCP and IP model is more than practical. The TCP or IP model combines layers resulting in fewer layers than the OSI module. Understanding the both modules is essential for networking professionals. Importance of the layer architecture. Layer architecture simplifies network designing and troubleshooting. Each layer can be developed and modified independently. This modularity enhances flexibility and scalability in network systems. Real world applications in of OSI model. The OSI model is widely used in network design and implementation. Network engineers utilizes the model to create efficient communication protocols. It serves as a common language for discussing network issues. Troubleshooting with OSI module. The OSI module helps identify faults in communication process by isolating issues to specific layers. Troubleshooting become more efficient. Techniques like ping and trace route can be used to test specific layers. Protocols corresponding to each layer. Each layer of the OSI module has associated protocols. These protocols dedicate how data is transmitted and received at each layer. The solid understanding of these protocols is vital for the network management. OSI module in modern networking. Despite being theoretical, the OSI module remains relevant in modern networking. It serves as a foundation for developing new networking technologies. Many contemporary network solutions align with OSI principles. Challenges of the OSI model. The OSI model can be complex and overwhelming for beginners. Real world networks may not strictly adhere to the OSI architecture. Some layers may be combined or omitted certain network solutions. Future in networking and the OSI module. The evaluation of the networking technologies continues to influence the OSI module. Emerging concepts like the software defined network SDN may reshape traditional layers. Continuously education on OSI principles is essential for network professionals. Thank you.